Have you said these phrases before? How does it look like? Yesterday night. I didn't realize about that. These might sound correct to you, but they're not. Today, I've picked 5 common mistakes that I hear all the time that even advanced learners make. Yep, you heard that right. This first mistake is very common. It's, how does it look like? Now, there are actually 2 correct ways to say this, depending on the situation. If you can't see it and you're asking for a description, we would say, what does it look like? For example, your friend is talking about their new dress, but you can't see it, so you ask them, what does it look like? But if you can see it and your friend is asking for an opinion, they would say, how does it look? Another example, imagine you have a new haircut. You might say, how does it look? Not, how does it look like? Here's a top tip for using the question words what and how. We use what when asking for information or facts. For example, what is your name? What is it called? Or what is the weather like today? And we use how when asking for an opinion, for a feeling, or the condition of something. How does my hair look? How do you feel today? How is your dad doing? The next one is, tell me where is the toilet? The correct way is, can you tell me where the toilet is? Now, if you ask a direct question, we would say, where is the toilet? But if you add, can you tell me or do you know, then it changes to where the toilet is. For example, can you tell me where the exit is? Or do you know where the train station is? Think of it like the first part is already a question, so the second part becomes a normal sentence. The next mistake is yesterday night. For example, we wouldn't say, I watched a movie yesterday night. In English, the correct way to say this is last night. I watched a movie last night. I went to bed late last night. This next mistake, why you are late, just needs a simple switch of the order. So instead of why you are late, why you are angry, why you are here, we would say, why are you late? Why are you angry? Why are you here? People will still understand you, but it's not technically correct. So just remember this structure. Why are you laughing? Another nice thing you could say if you want to sound even more native-like is, how come? How come you're late? It sounds much more natural. And the last mistake is, I didn't realize about that. This one's really common, and I hear lots of learners say it when I'm giving new information. For example, did you know avocado is actually a fruit? We don't say, I didn't realize about that. We just say, I didn't realize that, or really? Right, be honest, have you ever said any of these before? Don't worry if you have, you're not alone. Tell me in the comments if you have, and I'll see you next time.